Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Legend of Zelda, Twilight Princess on your PC. First, understand that emulation allows your computer to mimic a console, letting you run its games. Dolphin is the go-to emulator for both GameCube and Wii titles, offering excellent compatibility. To get started, you'll also need a digital copy of the game, often called a ROM file, to load into the emulator. Setting up Dolphin is straightforward. Begin by downloading the most recent stable version directly from its official website. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a specific folder on your computer for easy access. Crucially, take time to configure your preferred controller within Dolphin settings. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable gameplay experience, just like on a console. With Dolphin installed, open the program and simply add the folder where your game ROM is stored. The game title should then appear in the emulators list. A quick double-click will launch it. For a visual upgrade, navigate to the graphics settings. Here, you can increase the internal resolution, perhaps to 2 or 3 times the original, and enable anti-aliasing for sharper images. To further enhance your experience, consider installing custom texture packs, which can dramatically improve the game's visual fidelity with higher resolution assets. Experiment with different graphics backend options, such as Vulkan or OpenGL, to find what performs best on your system. If you encounter any technical difficulties, online communities and forums are excellent resources for troubleshooting and finding solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.